This exercise is about connecting ourselves fully with that which we do. You can achieve this by consciously writing for 15 to 30 minutes a day during this exercise period, paying attention to how you form the letters. You can do this exercise in several different ways. Draw the letters carefully and shape them differently than usual. That's my normal handwriting. Change your handwriting by carefully writing that word. Change your handwriting by giving it a round or a flying or a clear character. Write a short text. Find 1 to 3 ways in which you can change individual letters or characters of your handwriting and implement such a change whenever the letter appears. For instance, in writing the A like that, and the N with a little bow, and the K like this. Maybe you noticed that you slowed down where you came to the changed character. Or change the character of the writing from letter to letter. We will now perform this exercise together. Sit down with a paper and pencil at a table where you can write undisturbed. Write a word as you usually do, for example, Regen or rain. Now imagine another possible shape for the first letter. Then write it. Imagine the next letter and write it. Continue in this order. Write over the word again. Be completely conscious in your hand and feel the movement process with your hand. Are you still writing or are you already drawing? Pay attention to your inner activity during the exercise. You form an idea of the movement. You allow the movement to arise from this. Your hand is guided and becomes steady. You feel the movement of writing in your hand. Notice how this adds beauty and clarity to the form. Now you are really in it. The purpose of the exercise is to become a master of your own house by actively shaping a concept, handing it over to your hands in confidence, and accompanying it right into the fingertips with your feeling. The body senses what I want and reacts appropriately. This simple exercise can help you to feel yourself and experience yourself as a whole in your everyday life. Your actions become a holistic experience and you strengthen your inner security. This was the second exercise of a series of 7 sequences, each with a practical exercise and a complementary eurythmy exercise. The eurythmy exercise will be shown in a separate video. If possible, do the eurythmy exercise daily before doing the exercise suggested here. Perform these exercises for 1 or 2 weeks, then switch to the next sequence. With these exercises, you develop presence in everyday activities. They create joy, interest, and engagement, even for the everyday things.